Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of vehicle maintenance and reconditioning. And in this lecture series, we will discuss a topic by each. And now we will discuss about a topic called automobile clutch maintenance. So if you go for maintenance, the automobile maintenance, it is a very essential and a very important parameter or work in order to attain the original performance and efficiency of any automobile vehicle. So for that we have a number of maintenance type, and with the help of each one we will restore the original performance and the by efficiency of the automobile vehicle. So here we will see the maintenance of the automobile clutch. So it is very important to maintain the clutch. And if you take a automobile clutch, we have n number of component in that. It starts with a flywheel and clutch plate and clutch pedal, and then so we have so many components. So it is very important to maintain and clean and to restore its actual performance. So here, so first we should know what are the important component, and it is employed in the automobile clutch. So it starts with a pressure plate, clutch disc, flywheel. And the function of each component: for pressure plate, it transfers the engine power and enables gear shifting and disengaging the engine. So this the what is the purpose of automobile clutch? So this clutch will engage or disengage the engine power into the transmission system. So the engine power is generated inside the engine uh, by means of the combustion process. So during the combustion process, the fuel is burned, and after the combustion process, the heat energy is generated. So with the help of the crankshaft, this heat energy is converted into the mechanical energy. So with that mechanical energy, the this energy is transmitted to the transmission system with the help of the automobile clutch. So this clutch is engaging and disengaging the engine power generated in the engine to the transmission system. And so here the sign of clutch wear. So by means of engaging and disengaging the power, so we will have the wear and tear of the engine component. Yes, we know we have so many mechanical component inside the clutch. So by means of engaging and disengaging or rotation of the mechanical component, we may expect the wear and tear. By means of wear, we will have the friction between the components. So by means of friction, so there is a reduction of the function of the component, right? So it starts with the slipping. So it occurs during the acceleration. So while increasing the power or pressure, there is a possibility of slipping and unusual noises when engaging and disengaging the clutch and shifting difficulties. So while we have friction between the component and wear and tear, the improper function of each component, it is very difficult to shifting the gears. And so the what are the factors that are affecting the clutch wear, and lead the what are, and the factors that influencing the clutch wear? It starts with the driving style. So that is the aggressive habits, accelerate and veer, and vehicle load. So heavy loads increase the strain and driving conditions. So terrain impacts the clutch life. So where we are driving the vehicle in the normal conditions, and suddenly we are driving the vehicle in the terrain space. So with that driving conditions, and then driving and vehicle load and driving style, so these factors will directly affect the clutch wear. And the routine clutch inspection. So what are the inspection, or what are the maintenance that we have to do for the clutch maintenance? It starts with visual inspection and the fluid leak. Inspect any, if we have to see what are the leakage, any leakages in that is fluid leakages in and the pedal play. And we, so far that we have to measure the free pedal engaging of in the clutch. And the clutch fluid maintenance. and we have to replacement frequency. So every 2 years we have to replace the fluids, and what are the fluid types we are using, and prevention measures, that is prevent moisture contamination inside the container. So so we have to make the necessary maintenance work in order to retain or to restore the original performance. So we have to replace clutch fluid every 2 years, and use manufacturer recommended fluids, and we have to ensure the consistent performance of each component and the replacement process. So we have to use the specialized tools to replace the damaged components, and to remove the specified tool or the component in order to replace. And precision alignment, that is very important in the maintenance or repairing work. The precision alignment is very important. And the what are the maintenance tips that we have to follow? Avoid riding clutch, prevent premature wear, and smooth transmission, and the parking and parking neutral. So these are the factors, or a few tips, basic tips we have as a driver we have to follow to maintain the vehicle in good condition. And we have advanced technologies like dual mass flywheel, self adjusting mechanisms, and performance upgrades. So with that we can restore the actual performance of the automobile clutches. So so in this lecture video we discussed about what are the factors, what are the factors that are affecting the wear and tear of each component, and how we have to drive the vehicle, and what are the technologies we have right now to drive the vehicle in a good manner, and to maintain the vehicle in good shapes. Thank you.